Good morning. I just dropped Ruby off at school and Roxy off at grandma's, and it is time for an update progress video. So I'm gonna take you guys inside, show you what we've been working on. We've been working our butts off over here and we got some good stuff to show you. So let's go inside. Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Just mudding our beautiful walls.
You mean no walls?
Our no walls, actually, yes.
Surprise!
What do you guys think?
They're done!
Woo! Looks amazing in here. Let's show them around.
So if you guys remember before, when you walked into this entryway, there was a wall here with like a smaller doorway, and it went all the way here, and this was its own like separate room, and then that was its own separate room. So we'll show you some clips because it's kind of hard to explain, but everything is pretty much gone. We had to put 3 beams in to make sure it's nice and sturdy. But it looks awesome, and like it feels so just like grand and luxurious in here, even as is. So yeah, it's looking good. We are standing in what is going to be our kitchen. We will show you our plans for that, but this originally was like a family room or an extra living room, but we really wanted it to flow into this great room. So that's kind of the feel here. There still is like a hallway of sorts because the beams still had to be set on something, but I kind of like it because it like separates the spaces without it being totally closed off.
So another wall we were able to cut open is actually this wall into the dining room. We just opened it up more. There was actually no load-bearing support there, so I cut that out myself. But that made a huge transformation as well because there was really just a small entryway with a door height walkthrough. So it looks totally different, and we're super happy with the results. Having these walls removed was probably the most expensive and also the biggest undertaking of this whole project. So we're super glad to have it behind us, but it actually ended up being a little cheaper than he originally quoted because he finished earlier. And I like to say that was because I was here helping, but no, while he was here, I was helping pull wire. There was a lot of electrical that needed to be moved, which was a big part of the cost. I put some can lights in, or at least the wiring for them, helped pull wires, and then I was able to cut out that wall over there myself while he was here too. So we saved some money that way, and we're super glad to have it behind us. Another way we're saving money with this whole kitchen, living room remodel is by hanging drywall ourselves. So my brother actually came over last weekend and helped me hang all the drywall, which was a huge help. But hanging drywall and mudding is kind of an intimidating thing to think about, and most people just won't even attempt it. But after you do it a few times, it gets easier. So I mean, worst case, you wasted, maybe 50 bucks on drywall and mud, then you have to go hire somebody. But it's really not that expensive of a mistake. So you should try it. It's all about the prep work. So don't be afraid to try new things. And there's one other huge way we saved money. I'm excited to show you guys. Let me show you again. Wow. This is our new cold air return. It's an old grate out of a 1910 house from a city nearby. But on eBay, these cost like 400 bucks because of they're so big. They're made out of iron, cast iron. But I found this one for 85. So on Facebook Marketplace,
favorite.
Yes, of all places. But what that will allow us to do is not have to pay an HVAC person to move all the cold air returns that were in the walls. So we'll just have a hole in our floor, and it'll kind of have that old world charm that Sarah's going for.
After Jamie is done mudding, next is painting, and then floors, and then kitchen. So we have our layout kind of planned, as you can see here. Maybe we keep changing our minds. Island will be here as big as we can get it. So kitchen is still a little ways out, but we need to know our layout soon so that Jamie can figure out all the electrical and plumbing. So let's go check out what else we've been working on because we have a lot of different stuff going on at once. So let's go show them. What you working on?
I'm priming the stairs, which is a big job, but I'm using sticks, which is, my brother's a painter and he suggested this as a primer. It's like a bonding primer and helps stuff stick really well. So we first started with the deglosser, and then we're gonna also, we sanded it, we did the deglosser, and now we're also gonna do this just to make sure that the paint sticks really well. I've been told that a sock works well for painting spindles, so I'm gonna try it. A little old dirty baby sock here. Try it out. Let's see here.
Wait, can I help? Wait, what are you doing with my sock?
No. I am painting with it. See?
What?
Wow.
How does it work?
Kind of works, but it's kind of dripping. I don't know.
Daddy, I don't like you doing this.
You don't? Yeah, Ruby doesn't like me doing this, so I think I might go back to the brush because
Bummer.
it's not working that well. Seems kind of silly. Yeah.
Daddy,
Go back to the
everyone
brush.
seems kind of silly.
What are you doing?
Painting, painting, painting. This is tedious.
Yes.
Very.
Why are we doing the rails already?
Well, carpet is coming tomorrow, and I don't want to splatter paint everywhere after carpet's end, so it's definitely better to do it now. Yep.
You look like you need some coffee.
All right, so my biggest project lately has been these stairs, which I painted black. They're pretty dusty right now. It's actually like a very dark gray or a light black, whatever you want to call it, but I think it's the perfect color. It's so pretty. So now I'm working on sanding the stairs, which is a little bit of an undertaking. There's just so many like nooks and crannies. But then we're gonna stain the stairs natural wood. So the reason I chose black was just because I wanted to make it a little bit more modern, but I like the curve of this old traditional staircase. So it's kind of a nice mixture of like modern with traditional, and I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I can't wait to see the end result. I'm also gonna be painting these backs black as well, along with sanding everything. So it's still kind of a big project. I didn't know how big it was until I got started.
What you doing?
Removing wallpaper
Let's
is not
do it.
easy.
Got the steamer, got the scraper.
It's a lot of work, but I'm doing it.
Nice.
Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a bad one.
Yeah.
Ooh, thank you. So another big thing we've been working on is actually just removing all the wallpaper in this house. There was so much of it. Jamie's mom has helped me a ton with all that. It was all up here in this whole room, the bedroom. It's really everywhere, and I'm still not done. So that's another kind of thing we've been working on that has been taking some time, but we're getting there.
All right, so the girls just left this morning for Florida, and Ruby absolutely loves chickens, and I really wanted to get chickens now that we have some land, but the problem is chicken coops are expensive. They're like $350 at the store. Chickens are only like $4. So I thought probably not going to happen this year, maybe next year, because we got a lot of projects going on. But I found on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, someone is selling a chicken coop for $50. So I'm going to go pick it up and surprise Ruby when she gets home with chickens. Do you know what it is?
Chicken coop.
Yeah. Why do you think we have a chicken coop?
Yay.
Why do you think we have a chicken coop?
I don't know.
Because we're going to get some chickens.
Yeah.
Do you want some chickens?
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Uh-huh.
What do you think, Ru? Want some baby chickens? Be gentle, Roxy. Be gentle. All right. Good job.
So last week, my mom and I went to Florida with my girls to visit my brother, and Jamie surprised us all when we got home with chickens, which the girls are super excited about. I like them too, but a little afraid of them. They're little claws, you know. So, but I'm excited about the eggs. Lots of wildlife around here. We're really leaning into the farm life.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese. Would you swim in there, Ruby?
No.
You wouldn't? Oh. Yeah.
It's dirty.
Yeah, that liner's bad too, unfortunately.
No.
It's coming all off the side. Bummer. This pool has been a big pain. We knew the liner was bad, but in order to measure for a new one, we have to have it clear. It's blue, but it's not clear. So that's been another project I've been working on. It's taken a lot of my time, actually. So if you have any tips for me, that'd be great. I can get it clean, but just not clear.
We have a ton of exciting stuff coming up. It's all coming together pretty quickly, so stay tuned.
See you guys next time.
Bye. Ooh, just do it with your finger.
Okay.
Just your finger, please. Not a lot. That's a lot.
Okay, just.
Are you gonna put some in your?
Yes, of course. You can put it on me if you want to.
No, Jamie. That was so rude. Seriously.
Does that look good? This look natural.
You're contouring.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Anything for the video? Are you taking a picture?
No.